Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zapier Webhooks from a mobile app. To activate Zapier Webhooks from a mobile app, start by opening your Zapier account. If you don't have one, create an account at Zapier. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on Make a Zap to start a new automation. In the search bar, type Webhooks by Zapier and select it as your trigger app. Choose the trigger event called Catch Hook. Click on the Continue button. Zapier will provide you with a unique webhook URL. Copy this webhook URL to your clipboard. Now, open your mobile app development platform. Locate the section for configuring API calls or webhooks. Create a new HTTP post request in your mobile app. Paste the copied webhook URL into the request URL field. Set the request method to post. Now, configure the headers if required. You can include JSON data, which will be sent with your request. Make sure to test the request to ensure it sends data correctly. Go back to your Zapier dashboard and click Test Trigger. Zapier should show that it received the hook data. Continue setting up your Zap with an action app, based on your needs. Configure the action step by selecting the appropriate app and actions. Click Continue and set up any required fields. Now, turn on your Zap by toggling the switch at the top. Your Zap is now active and will trigger whenever the webhook is called. You have successfully activated Zapier webhooks from your mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.